Hello. Hey, I'm Patrick Kelley. Thanks for spending some time with me this morning, or whenever you're watching this video. I hope you had a great weekend. I what did I do this weekend? I endured the 98-degree weather and 90% humidity of South Carolina. That was always fun. Got in the pool a little bit on Friday. I don't even remember what we did on Saturday. Yesterday we went canoeing. My youngest, Preston, is a Boy Scout. Well, actually, he's a Cub Scout. Maybe a Boy Scout someday, but a Cub Scout. And today, so we went to a canoeing and kayaking event last night, just to teach him how to do it. And we did a little family canoe around a little bit of a lake. Saw a deer and her baby, and saw some fish, and I did all the work. So, and then we got rained on in the middle of the lake. So that's always fun. So, and full disclosure, I don't have any kids this week. I have a kid-free week. My two oldest are gone out of the house already. I just have two more to get rid of. So I think Max is in Florida visiting his grandma, and Preston is at camp. So it's just my wife and I this week. And I got to be fully honest. I'm really ecstatic about it. Sometimes you just need a week without the kiddos just to not have kids. So let's just leave it at that. All right, let's dive in. What are we talking about today? Hey, here's something I was using the other day. I have a gigantic screen, like a 50-inch monitor, so that I sometimes use for presenting stuff, and it's almost too big. And to present the whole screen almost seems like a waste, because I could utilize that screen and put 4 or 5 different applications on it and see them fine. What Zoom allows you to do is share parts of your screen. Did you know this? Sure, you can share your screen. Everybody's like, I can share my screen. That's no problem. There's not a big deal. There's a big, gigantic green share your screen button in every Zoom application, in the Zoom meeting that you have. It's right here. That's simple. You can share your screen. You can share a program. You can share from your iPhone. I've demoed all these things. What I haven't demoed is this cool thing called portion of your screen. Let's dive into it. Let's go into share your screen. Obviously, you know where it's at. I just showed it to you. And let's share your screen. And then what we can do is share a portion of your screen. Did you ever know that was there? If you go to share your screen, it'll open up to basics, which is obviously your basic, all the screens and applications that you have. You can share your iPad, you can share your iPhone via AirPlay and via cable. That's fine. You can share a whiteboard. I've done all the demos on all these things. What I've never done a demo on is the advanced side and the portion of your screen. Right here, there's share a portion of your screen by using a resizable rectangular window. I'm going to click this, and then my camera's going to go away, and it's going to be smaller. I'm going to increase it, and you'll see. Share a portion of your screen, and let's share that. Share. Now, look at I'm really small right now. Now I can share a portion of your screen. Pretend this screen, you don't know, pretend this screen is a 50-inch or even a 70-inch monitor if you have so inclined. And you're running individual applications inside it. So say we're running a little ESPN window in here. I can literally, by moving this around, share portions of my screen. It turns green. Whatever is inside of this rectangle is the portion of the screen I'm sharing. So if I really wanted to share just me in the video, I could just share my video inside of that rectangular box. If I just wanted to share just maybe a portion of this screen, check this out. I'll move this over here. If I want to just share, hey, let's just, if you're USC and UCLA football fans, I could actually decrease the size of this and just show that picture. If I truly wanted to, I can adjust the size of this share portion. How cool is that? So if you don't want to share your entire screen and just want to share, hey guys, can you look at the secret meeting with survival mode article? Maybe you want to share that. Maybe you want to share what Keyshawn and Ryan Clark are talking about. You can just share that. this, and I can increase this. It's totally adjustable as well. So everybody that's attending my meeting is only seeing the portion in green. So if maybe, and don't tell anybody this, maybe you are actually multitasking and you only have one big screen and you don't want to share the whole thing because maybe you're doing email on the side, right? So you could literally have your email over in the one corner, or you could be writing a document over in the corner, and no one's going to know because they can't see that side of the screen. So let's just say I had a Word document I was working on. I was just typing in hashtags and stuff like that. If I shared my screen, everyone would see that I was doing work while I was during the middle of a meeting. But what if I don't want to share that? This is a really good use, by the way, and I'll talk about this in a later date. I do this sometimes when I have a script here on my screen. So no one knows that I'm actually reading from a script because no one actually sees that Word document because I don't have that part shared. All I'm sharing is maybe the PowerPoint document that I'm presenting, and then I'll have my script on another portion of my screen, and I'm rolling through my script, right? Or I'm taking notes here. I don't want anybody to see that. So I don't share that whole screen. I just share a portion of that screen. So super cool thing. It's an advanced screen share, and it's called portion of the screen in Zoom exclusively. All right. I hope that was helpful. Cool little tip and trick on this early Monday morning. All right. Have a great week.